Hello, my denture community. Hope everyone is doing good and feeling good. As you noticed from the title, this is an easy, fast Russell Klein mixing impression kit tutorial. When you get your impression kit, please go over it, read over the instructions, the directions as many times as needed. Get a feel of it. Start off with a clean, dry surface. Gloves are optional. I mean, if you don't use gloves, please make sure your hands are clean because this material is going in your mouth. It's very important. Now, I love that this YouTuber shared such a wonderful idea. It's so helpful. I think it's easier and faster this way and funner. Nothing's activated until you actually touch them together. Gotta mix fast. I'm going for 15 seconds. Mixing and mixing. It's so fun. I was overwhelmed. Even this is just for video. I was very overwhelmed. Make sure you get it in your tray. You don't want none of the bottom of that tray showing at all. Get it in your face. Do as told in the directions. It's important. And good luck to you guys. I will definitely share her channel in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching.